Hello students, welcome to your channel Sukh EduWorld. Today I will finish this question paper and will try to solve all the questions, okay? And so I had uploaded already 8 videos for the B section of this question paper, and in each video I had solved 10 questions, okay? In each video contain 10 questions of this question paper, and now I will finish this question paper because 15 questions were pending, and two questions are still pending from the previous 15 questions that I solved in video part 8, okay? And out of that two questions I will provide you solution of one question in this video, and still one question is pending and I will solve it today and provide you solution on my telegram channel. And for that you have to follow telegram channel, and link I had already provided you in the description box, okay, for telegram, and you can also find that link on the more information window of this channel. So I let's start, okay? So in 136 number question they are asking thermocouples have been constructed from, okay? So four options they are providing you. One is sodium, second is chromel, alumel, 10 to 13% rhodium, potassium and rhodium. And out of these four options your correct answer is B. So actually thermocouples are devices that used to measure temperature, okay? So and usually constructed from specific combination of metals. So one type of combination is chromel alumel, okay? Chromel alumel. So it is consists of two type of alloys, and one alloy consists of nickel and chromium. This alloy consists from nickel plus chromium, and second is alumel, which is the combination of nickel plus aluminium, okay? And from of by combination of these two alloys this thermocouple is constructed, and it is usually used to measure temperature. And additionally some thermocouples use alloys containing rhodium also, like platinum rhodium combinations. And but the specific pairing mentioned as in option B, so it is a recognized example used in thermocouples for high temperature measurements, okay? For high temperature measurements. So B option is your correct answer in 136 number question. In the next question they are asking, who proposed a theory to explain the formation of complex compounds in which metal atoms have two different type of valencies? So out of four options your correct answer is Alfred Werner, okay? So Alfred Werner actually proposed a theory to explain formation of complex compounds, so that contains metals with two different type of valencies. One is primary valency and second is secondary valency. One is primary valency and second is secondary valency, okay? So this theory is also known as Werner's theory of coordination compounds. Werner's theory of coordination compounds, and it is usually used to actually determine structures and bonding in coordination compounds. So it is used to determine structure and bonding in coordination compounds. Okay, so A option is your correct answer in this question. In the next question, which electrode can't be used as a reference electrode? So out of four options your correct answer is gold electrode, okay? So gold electrodes actually are not commonly used as reference electrodes, because reference electrodes other they are providing like calomers SHE, that is standard hydrogen electrode, silver chloride electrode. Okay, so these are providing, actually these electrodes, other three electrodes provide a stable and well defined reference potential, but gold electrode were useful in many other applications but don't serve this purpose. So gold electrode can't be used as a reference electrode. Okay, and other three are reference electrode. So A option is your correct answer. In the next question, choose the incorrect statement. So you have to mention incorrect statement. First is lyophilic colloids are more stable than hydrophobic colloids due to the extensive solvation of lyophilic colloidal solution. So this is correct option. Okay, second is lyophilic hydrophilic salts don't require electrolytes to get stability. This is also correct. Okay, third is oily emulsions are more viscous than aqueous emulsions, so obviously this option is also correct. Fourth is peptidization involves coagulation, so this is incorrect option and you have to mention them incorrect statement as your one answer. So D option is your correct answer. Okay, D option is correct answer, which involving peptidization involves coagulation. Okay, so this is incorrect statement because peptidization actually opposite of coagulation. So peptidization involves the converting so actually peptidization is a process, okay, in which precipitates are converted into colloidal solution by addition of an electrolyte, and which stabilizes the colloids also. But coagulation, if we say, it involves aggregation of colloidal particles into a larger mass and often leading to precipitation. So both are opposite to each other, and so D option is your correct answer. That is incorrect statement. Okay, next is the size of isoelectronic species decreases with the increase in, first is atomic number, number of negative charges, number of negative species, number of neutrons. So A option is your correct answer, which is atomic number. Clear? So the isoelectronic species generally are atoms, ions or molecules, okay, that have same number of electrons. So size of these species decreases with increase in atomic number. Okay, because as atomic number increases, nuclear charge also increases. Okay, so as atomic number increases, nuclear charge also increases. Clear? So the stronger nuclear charge pulls the electrons closer to the nucleus and reducing the overall size of the species. So A option is the correct answer, that is atomic number. In the next question, water and liquid ammonia are highly mobile liquids. So these are highly mobile, okay, liquids because of, and one option is low viscosity, high viscosity, low dipole moment, low thermal conductivity. So out of these four options, your correct answer is low viscosity. Okay, so water and liquid ammonia are highly mobile because they have low viscosity. So viscosity actually is used to measure fluids resistance to flow. Okay, so liquids with low viscosity like water and liquid ammonia can move freely and quickly compared to those with high viscosity. So A option is your correct answer in this question. In the next question, they are saying 36 gram of water contains how many moles of water? So you have to tell them moles. Okay, so you know that formula is, how can we determine moles? Number of moles is mass over molar mass. Clear? And mass of the water is 36 gram. Yes, and molar mass of water, you can find molar mass of water, that is 18 gram per mole. So just put this value here. So divide 18 by 36. So you will get 2 mole. Okay. So your correct answer is B option. In the next question, mass of 6.023 into 10 raised to power 22 molecules of carbon dioxide. Okay, so you have to tell them mass. So you know the formula of number of moles. Okay, which is equal to mass over molar mass. So you have to find mass, right? So take mass here and multiply number of moles with molar mass of CO2. And you know the molar of mass of CO2, you can also calculate molar mass of CO2 is 44 gram per mole. Okay, 44. It means you have to find a number of moles. So mass is equal to number of moles. For number of moles, how can you find number of moles? To find number of moles, you have to divide Avogadro number by number of molecules. So number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number multiply molar mass. Clear? So this is a formula to find mass of CO2. So molar mass of CO2 is 44. Clear? Value of Avogadro number, you know what is the value? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. And number of molecules they are already provided you, that is 6.023 into 10 raised to power 22. This is number of molecules. Okay, so you have number of molecules, you know the Avogadro number, and you know the already molar mass of CO2. Put all the values here and you from that you can calculate mass and you will get value 4.4 gram, and that is in option B. So B option is your correct answer in this question. In the next question, they are saying automated procedure was used first to separate protein oligomers, that is polypeptides, by the use of first is Safadex gel, second is colloidal gels, third is nanocomposite hydrogels, and fourth is zero gels. Okay, so out of four options they are providing you, a correct answer is Safadex gels. Okay, so Safadex gels actually these are also known for their use in gel filtration chromatography. So these Safadex gels are used in gel filtration chromatography. Okay, gel filtration chromatography. So gel filtration chromatography is a technique just to separate protein, okay, like protein oligomers based on their sizes. So this method is one of the best and first to be used in protein separation and also purification. So A option is your correct answer in this question. In the next, the best method to separate miscible mixture of chloroform and benzene. So the best method is distillation. So C option is your correct answer. Okay, so if you'll check, chloroform and benzene both are volatile organic compounds. Okay, but both have different boiling point. So distillation is best method to separate such miscible mixtures based on their boiling point. So this process involve heating to the mixture until one of the component vaporizes and then condensing the vapor back into liquid to collect it separately. So C option is your correct answer in this question. In the next question, according to Beer's law, absorbance is directly proportional to which entity? So if you know the relation, A is equal to epsilon Cl. Okay, so this epsilon is a molar absorptivity. Okay, molar absorptivity, and C is concentration, and L is path length, and you can see A is absorbance, and absorbance is directly proportional to concentration, and concentration is one of the options, and so you will take this C option as your correct answer. So A is directly proportional to concentration and A is your absorbance. In the next question, homolytic cleavage of covalent bond results in the formation of reaction intermediates. So correct answer is A, which is free radical. So in homolytic cleavage, a bond is breaks, okay, homolytically, and both atoms will get their electrons and converted into free radicals. So A option is your correct answer. In the next question, which of the following will not undergo chain polymerization? And the four options they are providing you. One is butyl acrylate, styrene, 2-vinyl pyridine, pyridine only. Okay. So out of four options, D option, which is pyridine, is your correct answer. So pyridine will not undergo chain polymerization. So actually pyridine, you know its structure, pyridine. Okay. So this is structure of pyridine. Okay, so pyridine is a aromatic heterocyclic compound, but it doesn't have a double bond suitable to initiate chain polymerization, but the other carbons have double bond. Okay, such double bond just to start to initiate chain polymerization. So out of four options, D is your correct answer. In the next question, based on molecular forces of polymers, phenolics are classified as. So correct answer is thermosetting polymer, which is A option, thermosetting polymer. So phenolic reasons are also known as phenolics. Okay, phenolic resins, also known as phenolics. Okay, so these are thermosetting polymers, and it means that they undergo a chemical reaction when they heated. So phenolic undergoes chemical reaction when they heated and create a network of bonds that form rigid and durable structure, and once they set they can't be melted and reformed, so which distinguish them from thermoplastic. So A option is your correct answer in this question. And the last question is, the element mercury being a liquid in its standard state is due to metal-metal bonding in mercury is relatively, A option is your correct answer, relatively poor. Okay, so mercury remain liquid at room temperature because metal-metal bonding in mercury is relatively weak compared to other metals. So this weak bonding is due to relativistic effect, okay, on the electron, so which cause a reduction in overall of the overlap of the atomic orbitals and that form metallic bond, and as a result mercury have a low melting point and remain liquid under standard conditions. Clear? So A option, which is poor bonding, weak bonding, is your correct answer in the case of this option. So I had solved all the questions of this question paper. Still two questions are pending, and out of that two I will solve one question. So I think that question was 132. Let me check. 134. Okay, so in the last video I left this question. So in this question, just read this question once again. They are saying how many grams of cation exchanger in H positive form is required to separate calcium to positive ions from this volume of this normality calcium chloride, and they are providing you static exchange capacity value. Okay, so what you will do here, first of all you have to find how many grams of cation exchanger required. So first of all you have to find mass. Okay, mass of cation exchanger. So for that what you will do, you will divide exchange capacity, static exchange capacity, okay, by total equivalent of calcium to positive ions. Okay, So to find the total number of equivalent, so this numerator you will find, so total number of equivalent of calcium to positive, okay. For that you have to multiply volume with the normality, and volume they are providing you, which is 1 decimeter cube. So you will put this value here, and normality is 0.1, okay. So 1 into zero point 0.1, so zero point 0.1 equivalent are total number of equivalents, okay. So static exchange capacity they are providing you 4.5 milligram equivalent per 1 milligram of exchange. So what you will do here, just put this value, which is 0.1 equivalent, here in the numerator, 0.1 equivalent, and divide this 0.1 equivalent into milligram, and you will get 100 milligram, and in the denominator you have 4.5 milligram. Just solve it and you will get to 22.2 milligram, okay. But in all the options they are providing you grams, so you will tick B option, your correct answer, okay. That's your correct answer. And one question is still pending, and that questions I'll show you that question that I left in the last video due to mistake in options, okay. So that is 131. I will provide you solution of this question on a telegram today, okay. So you can follow that telegram channel, and link for that channel I had already provided in the description box. You can check that and follow that. And if you have any query, do comment in comment section, I will respond there. And you can also ask any question on telegram. And if you like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel for further any update regarding advertisements, regarding any competitive exams. And also I also mentioned you that I will provide you solution for GAIL exam, which was conducted by GAIL on 1 December for the similar post, and I will provide you solutions. We will start that question paper next week, in the next week, and wait for that. And all the very best for your exams, um, for that exam which is going to connect by NFL tomorrow. And all the very best. Thank you very much.